Anyone else have an apprentice whose only vocabulary is I can't, it won't? What have you done, Jacob?
Put all caps on bottom post.
What have you done that for? Keep water in?
Well, I didn't do it purposefully.
How do I cope?
Good morning, YouTube. Another week. Starting off. Sorry, I just turned radio down there. Having a bit of a rave there. Lads have loaded up and got off, so I forgot to get a video. Just been busy. Been away this weekend up Carlisle. That was a bit of a booze fest. But yeah, very enjoyable. In fact, even Karl was with us as well. So it takes you a day or so to get back in the swing. Lads have gone to start a job at Harden Primary School. I hadn't actually seen this one myself. This was a job that Justin went to see before Christmas actually, and I wanted it doing in school holidays, which is obviously this week. It's not a massive job, it's only 35 metres I think it was of black palisade rounded and notched. And then what else have we got? I've forgotten which one else we're doing. Oh yeah, then the East Bailey, right little job to do there. It's a little single gate that we've got, and it's like, I think it's 2 panels at the side of this gate. Some I know, but you know. And then we've got another one at Carlton Bowling Trust Schools at High Park. That's a decent job actually. There's some gates to take down and new ones to install, some singles, some crank posts that Karl's done, and then some twin mesh and stuff, so it's not a bad job actually. They'll probably get last couple of days this week get the gates in and the cranks and whatnot while kids are off, and then next week they can do the fencing. It doesn't really matter because they're miles away from school. They're on boundary at Schoolfield, so it's not a problem. So yeah, busy this week, thank God. About time. And then we've got few other jobs to do next week, but I'll have a look what we've got on for them. So I shall sign out for now. Oh, just before I go, obviously I'm just on my way now to I've got a couple of site surveys this morning, one down at Kirkstall in Leeds, Cardigan Fields I think it is, and then one at Otley. It's like I think it's an scrapyard or builders merchants or something. I think I know vaguely where it is. And then I've got one at BD4 I believe it is. So yeah, busy.
We're at Horton Bank. Just got to repair these bars that have been pulled off. Yeah, that riff-raff in background. Sounds like Baggy and... oh, it's Baggy and Jamie. I think this one's a little bit beyond bolting back on. I'll have to take that one off. So we are going to have to quote them to repair all this because this all needs welding up. There we have them. All reattached bar one. Bit of a pretzel that one, isn't it? It's a really bad design this. I've also had all these squares laser cut all the way around this cart. Should have really had them done probably 20mm longer. Oh, got it. There's such little amount hanging over that once they come loose they're sort of rocking and dropping in. And I don't like if you were running and tripped up. Pretty sharp. But anyway, we've repaired the ones we've come to repair. Just completed a second job at day. We're at East Bailey Primary School. Just this small single gate here. And fence panel. And a return now back to that old existing. Beautiful. Quite a nice setting actually, nice little pond here, look. All ducks have been out. Time to go and get dry.
Morning YouTube. I've just realised I haven't got a video yet today. Been very busy this morning myself. Been to year-end meeting with my accountant Ching. Quite productive. I've been on phone to a couple of clients, and then the lads were actually doing a little repair at a school, and whilst they were there, well, let me start beginning. We've had this repair to do since like Christmas, and one way or another we haven't been able to get in for access. Kids have been out, blah blah blah. We tried going last week. Again, we've gone this morning. But going back a couple of weeks, one of the guy who does groundworks for us, who has a yard next to us, he passed my number on to him as well. He must have been doing some works there. Anyway, I was waiting for a phone call, never got one. Anyway, the guys have gone up this morning, done the repair, and seen the actual woman, because she were off sick when I originally went up, and said, oh yeah, we're after this fencing off all the way around perimeter, blah blah blah, and this whole existing fence to take down. Walk round, it's quite a big job actually. It's all existing steel palisade to take down, blah blah blah. I was about to get a video, and then there were kids there. It must be a school club or whatever, so I couldn't get any footage. But anyway, so yeah, I'll have to quote that when I get back. It's quite a big one, and there's loads of gates as well, and after replacing with some 358 mesh, I believe. So yeah, should be a good one. And then I'm on my way where I was going to go to before I got that one, Bailden, which I'm nearly there, to a customer, like a domestic customer. We did their job a number of years ago now, and next doors actually. And he had some massive bushes that he originally had, and now he's taking them down or something. He wants some fencing there, so yeah, it's starting to pick up, I believe, which is good. Problem is they all come at the same time, don't they? But yeah, we're nice and steady at the minute, plodding on. We're probably into sort of mid-March now, so yeah, not too bad. These big massive edges here, they're coming down, not by us, and then he just wants it fencing up to edge here, about 10-11 metres. We did this over there for him a number of years ago, and we actually did next doors as well, all the way around their garden. So yeah, he's getting them chopped out next week or two, he says. So there's not too many roots, so I'm take them out. But yeah, so I'll get back to office now and get these quoted up. The land has finally been confirmed by my solicitor that it's all sorted out, thank God. So I know I'd started because they'd already started taking rent, so I thought sod it, but yeah, it's all been done now. Lease has gone through, so hopefully them concrete panels for retainers will come soon, and we'll start filling that up a bit. Ready furnished, obviously, eventually concreting. It'll make a big difference to our yard, will that? Everything can move over there a bit, but whew, I'm a bit nippy again now. I'm just going to crack on with my admin now for a couple of hours. I would imagine lads will be back soon, especially if it started raining. They won't be messing about today. So yes, I shall do the unglamorous stuff behind the scenes that, you know, nobody sees, and lads just think I do know what you see. You know, work just magically appears in front of them apparently. Yeah, so I shall crack on now, and I shall see you later.
So we're over in Harden. Lads have fenced this other day to where they were asked to fence it. Let's look at this fence line. There's a fence here, an old fence there, and a thick edge all the way down. And for reasons I'm not sure, this fence didn't go to there, but they were worried that kids are going to escape because of that gap to that. Literally a hand's width, but it stops there anyway. But we'll keep them happy. There we are, all done. On to job 3.
Good morning. A bit warmer today actually. Got all these layers on. It's actually a lot warmer. Perhaps it feels like summer, doesn't it? It's warm.
Waiting for me work, partner.
Yeah, as usual. Baggy's late, always last. Same time, and he just comes when he wants. But still loading van from yesterday. I'm just going to get sorted out now. We've got all gates and stuff that we're going to start a job at Hyde Park School today. All gates and everything here, and crank posts. These are from our new galvanisers, powder coaters. They're nice how they're wrapped up like that, aren't they? Very nice. A lot better them. Yeah, so I'm just going to start that today, and the rest of it is some twin mesh, which I've forgotten where that is. Twin mesh, well, that's half of it actually. The other half is actually bottom of that pile there. They'll get sorted out. I've just got a job to see up off Great Autumn Road, I think it is, and then I'm just going to nip in and see them. But they've already seen the job yesterday. Karl took them up because Karl knows the bikes. He's made all the cranks and everything for it.
You getting to China there? I'll have to run it. It's been a fight. All solid concrete that. 2.5 hours later. What we think is someone's crashed into this post before, dug this massive hole, and they've, I mean, put a big plate on bottom. They've extended posts as a weld line.
1.5 deep that concrete.
Yeah, I think we could do with a longer reach breaker, definitely.
Oh, the Hilty mark.
That was spine busting. One more to go. It looks like we've done no, because there's only 4 posts. That were a nasty dig in there. But ready to hang on tomorrow. Big cranks to go on here. Steady Friday. Depends if Jamie brings his raincoat though.
Got a casualty this morning. You know, like dealing with teenagers sometimes, isn't it? But yeah, it's a strange day to blob, innit, Friday, but we had a feeling he wanted today off because he kept hinting how bad weather we're going to be today. Yeah, so make your own mind up on that. But as it happens, we've just got a few sort of jobs to, little bits to finish at a few schools we've done this week before kids are back. They've got the posting yesterday, so they've got the gates to hang there, and the big ones that are on the floor there. That's one job. Another little job they did the other day, they didn't have any spray on them where they've cut a panel, so they've just got they've already grinded it down and stuff just to spray that so it doesn't rust. A couple of coats of paint on that. But yeah, I've just got a little job to see this morning. That's about it really. Nice steady Friday, what we want instead of mad rush on like you normally have end of school holidays. I just want to say a big shout out to a fellow fencing company who actually rung me out of blue yesterday. You know, yeah, if you're watching, Chris, thanks a lot. Appreciate your phone call there, mate. You don't realise who's watching it sometimes, so hope we're doing okay for you. So big shout out to you, yeah. It's nice to hear from other fencing companies. And as it happens, just whilst I'm on, not about fencing companies, another YouTuber that I follow, he has a yard. He's put like some concrete pads down that he's bought straight from a concrete place, so I'm thinking might be easier and cheaper to do them here. Well, not so much cheaper, just easier. Obviously, when we get us retaining things in, we'll level it with some more hardcore and whatnot to us levels, and then put these concrete pads down. So I'm thinking I might do that because it's literally instant. Once your pads are down, you can drive on them. I've watched his channel, and he's replied to me this morning because I asked him a question, where did you get them? He's replied this morning and told me, so I'm going to have a look, see how much they are in comparison, because getting concrete trucks isn't cheap these days, so might be a good option. And he drives his fork truck on them and everything, so I'm hoping that might do us. Yeah, we'll let us see. Anyway, I shall get off now, stop waffling, and I shall catch you later.
combo gates all in up at Hyde Park School. Flush. Sound job.